Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
For the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
I'll go away and I won't come back. They'll be sorry. They'll all be sorry then.
Okay, everybody, we go on the count of 3. 1, 2...
You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy cloud.
I hope you got your drip pan.
Got my drip.
I am a very important engine, but thankfully I won't have to pull goods straight.
top is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Anche il tappalino!
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati!
Hey! Man, Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like a plain job.
When it was time to stop, you know what he said? The youngsters will tell you.
Order in the court.
Seems like my mind has been...
Change the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School!
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way,
I'm not coming in behind you again, old man.
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures, because Champ here has been a role model of mine.
Of course! Now I'm a bus that goes to school.
Well, you're probably nervous for your first day, but don't.
Notice the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
Queen's the winner! Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
Hops,
dealer in Paris, a treacherous lowlife, but he's the only car in the world who can tell us whose engine this is.
Look, I can do this. I can.
What if he came up with all in all just to make alternative fuel look bad?
What if? You're basing...
Sold them.
To who?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over the...
And what's gonna happen to all of us if Flo leaves town and closes her station? What? So don't...
Ooh-wee, that was one close finish. You sure made Dinoco proud. Thank you.
Los Chick Hicks con el corredor que ha creado todo un revuelo. Jackson Storm, otro gran triunfo.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
And then I remembered what they say about old British engines. If there ain't no hole under 'em, there ain't no hole in 'em. What?
Hey, Hamilton!
Hamilton here.
Call out our speed!
208 miles.